Hi everyone, welcome back to Fbmfox. In this video, we're going to go over how you can manage orders that come from eBay in your Fbmfox account. So it's very simple. You just want to hit fetch eBay after going into orders section. And what you'll find is your eBay order pops up. So the image is not visible because this product was not listed with Fbmfox. So it doesn't really know where to get the image from. That's why you don't see one right there. But let's check out the order, right? So you have the buyer info. We've blurred it out for privacy reasons, but you have the quantity, total, net sale value, shipping, taxes, and all of those great things. You also have this link that says view on eBay. Once you hit that link, it will take you exactly to your order section. I guess I just have to log in, but here's the exact order with all the information, which is great. Additionally, once I hit edit, I can find additional information about this order. Here is the order summary, such as the subtotal, the gross revenue, the eBay fees, the net revenue after fees and taxes are taken out. Then we have the supplier cost. So let's say it cost me $3 to fulfill this product. I would get a net profit of $1.65. In this case, I would then say the product is fulfilled, and I would call it a day by entering an order number such as AZEFO. I don't know. Let's just say this is the supplier order number. Now you fill the product with your supplier, then you just want to hit supplier fulfilled, order status fulfilled. You want to make sure your item subtotal and all of those things are there. So for me right now, my supplier cost is $3 supposedly, and then you want to call it a day by just hitting save changes. And once that's done, it'll show you that your profit was $1.65, and you will see that on your summary up here also. So that is how you manage orders with eBay. It's very simple because we have a direct integration with eBay. So it makes things really, really simple. If you guys haven't started using Fbmfox yet, please go ahead and do so. We just released the entire eBay integration along with Walmart. So we're that all-in-one subscription for selling online. If you want to upload products from Facebook shops to eBay to Walmart and to many other suppliers coming soon. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't started using Fbmfox yet, please go ahead and do so. Link in the description below. It's free for 7 days and then only $29 a month. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great one. Bye.